It's ice cream week, it's day 3, and it's all about peach and rosemary ice cream. That's right, it sounds completely odd, but I'm infusing all my ice creams this year with fruit and herbs. To amp up that fruit flavor, if it is chunky fruit like peaches could be, I'm blending them into a puree. That way you infuse the whole thing with the fruit flavor, but don't get the chunks of icy bit of fruit in there. You just get all the flavor and still a smooth, creamy ice cream. This ice cream starts out as all mine do. In a 4-quart kettle, pour some whole milk and some heavy cream. For the fruit, you wanna make sure to peel some ripe peaches. If you can't find ripe ones, you can totally use frozen peaches. They are frozen when they are in season, so they have great flavor. If not, peel some fresh peaches, slice them up into a container, and then blend them up. You know I love an immersion blender for this job. It's so simple. Once they're blended and really smooth, just add that puree right to your ice cream base. Follow with some sugar, some corn syrup, yeah, you need the corn syrup, and some salt. Whisk that till it's smooth and set it on the stove over medium heat. While the ice cream base is coming up to temperature, you can put together your slurry. I use a little bit of milk, and instead of cornstarch, I have transferred to clear gel or Mira-Cleer. I find it really seriously makes the end result even better. Stir that together till it's smooth and then set it by the stove until you're ready to use it. Once the ice cream base is boiling really well or at a rolling boil, you can pull it off the heat and slowly stir in your slurry. This is just really gonna help thicken it. Once all the slurry's in there, you've whisked it, put it back over the heat, and then let it come to a boil again. You wanna make sure it's boiling all throughout because then all that thickener is gonna be activated. Once it's boiled, pull it from the heat and finish it off. To finish it, we're just gonna add a little bit of vanilla. I still like a little bit of vanilla in all my ice creams just because it really drives home that ice cream idea. Whisk that in, and then add a couple sprigs of rosemary. The rosemary, you're gonna infuse it while that ice cream sits and steeps. Once it's steeped for about 20 minutes, pull the 2 sprigs of rosemary out, then pour it right into a container you can chill. All the ice cream bases need to be well chilled before you use a countertop ice cream freezer. If you happen to have one with a compressor, congratulations. I totally don't, I just have a regular one. After that has chilled, make sure your ice cream freezer is ready to go. Pull your canister out, pour in the base, and then let it churn. Mine takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Pull it out, put it back in the container. You could totally eat at this point because it's like delicious soft serve. Or let it chill a little bit longer and you'll have a harder ice cream. Once it's chilled, you can serve it up and let your taste buds sing, because let me tell you something. You're gonna get some of that delicious peach, a little bit of that rosemary mixed with the vanilla. Yeah, it's delicious, and it's like a peach Bellini, but with a hint of rosemary. No one's complaining. If you agree and want to see more awesome recipes like this, make sure to check out wiseguide.com. For this recipe, go to the description box below, and come back tomorrow because Ice Cream Week still has 2 days left. Until next time, start making ice cream.